Understanding Argument by Analogy, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing aspect of the English language and critical thinking. Argument by analogy. This concept is not just a linguistic tool but a powerful way to understand and communicate complex ideas simply. So, whether you're a language learner or just curious about how arguments work, you're in the right place. Let's explore this fascinating topic together. Argument by analogy is a method of reasoning that compares two different things, situations, or ideas that have some similarities. The purpose is to suggest that what is true for one thing should also be true for the other, based on their similarities. It's like saying, if A is similar to B in certain ways, and we know something about A, then we can infer that the same might be true for B. This technique is widely used in everyday discussions, literature, legal reasoning, and even in scientific debates. Every argument by analogy consists of four main parts. 1. Two things being compared. One is familiar, and the other is less known or the subject of the argument. 2. Similarity. Points of comparison where the two things are alike. 3. Conclusion. What is true for the familiar thing is also argued to be true for the less known thing, based on their similarities. 4. Purpose. To persuade or explain by highlighting how the analogy supports the argument's conclusion. Understanding this structure helps in both creating and evaluating analogies critically. Let's break down an example to see how it works in practice. Analogy. Just as a sword is the weapon of a warrior, a pen is the weapon of a writer. Comparison. The sword to the warrior and the pen to the writer. Similarity. Both are tools used in their respective fields to achieve goals. Combat for the warrior, communication for the writer. Conclusion. The pen, like the sword, has great power in its domain. This example shows how analogies can convey complex ideas in a relatable and understandable way. Strengths. Can simplify complex concepts. Helps in understanding and remembering new information. Encourages creative thinking. Weaknesses. May oversimplify or distort understanding if the analogy is not closely matched. Relies on the quality of the similarity. Weak or irrelevant similarities can undermine the argument. Understanding these aspects is crucial for effectively using and interpreting arguments by analogy. And there you have it, a brief guide to understanding argument by analogy. We hope this video has illuminated how analogies can be both a compelling way to argue and a creative method to teach and learn. Remember, the power of analogy lies in finding meaningful similarities that can illuminate the unfamiliar. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.